Pandium's new CLI gives development teams a faster, more efficient way to build, test, and deploy integrations, right from their command line. Teams can now leverage Pandium's integration infrastructure without leaving their coding environment. Getting started is easy. Just copy the CLI command from our developer resources and run it in your terminal. You'll be able to log into your Pandium environment directly from the CLI. Once you're logged in, you have full access to your Pandium integration environment and can manage the entire development process from the command line. Quickly access information about your integrations and your tenants without switching back and forth to the UI. Retrieve live data directly from Pandium and get instant visibility into your integrations without leaving your local environment. With Pandium CLI, you can build and test integrations locally without needing a full deployment. Reduce errors and friction by running your integrations locally, using real live data from your connected systems. No more waiting for full deployments, be able to iterate, debug, and test seamlessly in your local environment. And since Pandium already stores your integrations credentials, the CLI securely handles the retrieval and management of them, so you can authenticate without extra steps. With Pandium, you're in control. Develop, test, and deploy integrations faster, using the tools you already know and love. Learn more at docs.pandium.com.